Judges and I can't wait to see what you and your bloggers are predicting as the fashion trend of 2014. Break a leg.
I like the dress.
Gigi is so pumped about the dress. And when they love it, they sell it.
She's even a laser gun.
Oh, she has one that's in the back. She's gonna walk out with the dress if they let her.
Kabam.
I really love the look. I think it looks very graphic from far away. I really give myself credit for having one of the smallest girls in the group and being able to tailor it the way I did.
Yes, I love the jacket. It looks amazing. And the dress looks fun and flirty and youthful. Go ahead, blog about the jacket. It's all about her style. So, put together for me, it looks like a blogger will wear this.